All right, guys. Make sure I don't leave anything open here for these guys to get out. This is Balderas Apiary. So I just came in to pick up these jars. Looks like they got knocked over. And make sure they aren't getting out. All right. I'm just gonna put these frames in the boxes and set them up. Looks like this jar down there is empty. And that jar is empty. All right. Looks like they came back and no, they left it there. All right, so these birds have been coming in here and doing that and picking up. I shouldn't have left these guys flat like that. That's all right. I'll clean it all out. My main goal is just to pick up these jars, check the bees. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I got a veil on. And I'll do some organization here. This is just some extra boxes. So I got 2 hives here. And I'm gonna try to get 6 or 8 hives over here. I'm gonna have to do some splits over here. Let me think. I got 2 or 3 more of these pallets. So that's 6 hives. So I'm gonna try to get 6 hives over here total, or not total, 8 hives total. Well, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12. I may try to get 10 to 12. We shall see. We shall see. Right now, I need to focus on this. So, appreciate it, guys. It's Honey Jefe here. Today is March the 2nd, by the way. 2026. It's Monday, and it's hot outside. See ya.